Welcome to AERO Auto Defense, the channel where we bring you deep insights, stories, and analysis on the world's most advanced military technology, fighter jets, missile systems, drones, and modern defense equipment. If you are passionate about the cutting edge of warfare and innovation, then you are in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and join us as we explore the most powerful machines shaping the battlefield of the future. Today we are taking a closer look at one of the most unique and feared loitering munitions in the world, the IAI Harop. This system is not just a drone and not just a missile. It is a hybrid between both, designed to find, track, and destroy targets with deadly precision. Built by Israel Aerospace Industries, the Harop has become a symbol of modern warfare where artificial intelligence, autonomy, and destructive power are combined into a single flying weapon. The Harop is often referred to as a loitering munition, or in simpler words, a kamikaze drone. Unlike conventional missiles that are fired and then directly hit their target, loitering munitions are able to fly over an area for extended periods, searching for enemy radars, missile batteries, or other high-value assets. Once the operator or the system itself identifies a target, the Harop dives down and destroys it with a powerful explosive warhead. What makes it especially dangerous is its ability to wait, observe, and strike at the perfect moment, making it both a surveillance platform and a precision strike weapon in one. At first glance, the Harop looks similar to a small aircraft. It has a length of about 2.5 meters, a wingspan of 3 meters, and weighs around 135 kilograms. Despite its size, it can loiter in the air for up to 6 hours. That long endurance gives it the ability to search a wide battlefield, covering both defensive and offensive missions. Powered by a rear-mounted propeller engine, it can reach speeds of over 180 kilometers per hour, making it fast enough to engage moving targets while still being slow enough to maintain observation from above. One of the standout features of the Harop is its ability to perform suppression of enemy air defenses, commonly known as SEAD. This is a highly complex mission where enemy radar and air defense systems must be neutralized before conventional aircraft can operate safely in the sky. Traditional anti-radiation missiles like the American AGM-88 HARM have been used for this purpose. But the Harop takes the idea a step further. Instead of simply homing in on a radar signal immediately after launch, it can patrol the skies, detect when enemy radars are switched on, and then dive down with lethal accuracy. This means it forces enemy forces into a difficult choice: keep their radars on and risk being destroyed, or turn them off and remain blind to incoming attacks. The Harop is guided using a combination of electro-optical sensors and anti-radiation homing capabilities. In simple words, it can find targets visually through cameras and by detecting radar emissions. Operators can monitor live video feeds, making it possible to select specific targets and avoid civilian infrastructure, something that has become increasingly important in modern asymmetric warfare. At the same time, if communication is lost, the Harop can still autonomously strike based on its onboard sensors. The warhead carried by the Harop is powerful enough to destroy air defense batteries, command posts, or high-value vehicles. When it attacks, it performs a terminal dive directly into the target, detonating on impact with devastating effect. The psychological impact of such a weapon is also significant, because enemy forces know that a silent, invisible hunter may already be circling above them, waiting for the moment to strike. The Harop has seen real combat and has proven its effectiveness in conflicts such as the 2020 Nagorno-Karabakh War, where it was used extensively. Footage from that war showed Harop drones destroying enemy air defense systems and artillery positions with precision. Its role highlighted how loitering munitions can change the outcome of a conflict by neutralizing an opponent's most dangerous weapons before they even get the chance to fight back. Unlike traditional drones that return to base after their mission, the Harop is designed for one-way missions. Some might call it expensive to lose a drone after one attack, but in military terms, the destruction of a radar system or surface-to-air missile battery is worth far more than the price of the drone itself. This cost-effectiveness has made it attractive to multiple countries. Several nations across Asia and Europe have either purchased or shown interest in the Harop. It fits perfectly into the growing doctrine of drone warfare, where unmanned systems take the risks instead of human pilots. This also reflects the future of combat, where autonomy, endurance, and precision are the keys to success on the battlefield. The Harop is part of a larger family of loitering munitions developed by Israel Aerospace Industries, and its design has influenced the development of similar systems around the world. Nations are now racing to build or acquire their own versions, knowing that having such a weapon can provide a decisive edge in modern conflicts. As technology advances, we can expect loitering munitions like the Harop to become even smarter, more versatile, and harder to defend against. It represents a shift from traditional fire-and-forget missiles to intelligent weapons that combine the roles of surveillance, targeting, and destruction in one single platform. Thank you for watching AERO Auto Defense. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the IAI Harop and want to see more about the world's most advanced drones, fighter jets, and missile systems, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss our future uploads. The future of warfare is already here, and we are here to bring it to you.